Good. Let's proceed to the next example. Aggression in some teenage boys, part 1, may be linkage to overly, part 2, large glands in their brains, part 3, a new study has found, part 4, no error, part 5.
Okay, here the subject is a new study. The verb is has found. The implied conjunction is that. The independent clause is aggression in some boys may be linkage to overly large glands in their brains. The subject of independent clause is aggression in some boys. And the verb of independent clause is may be linkage. And the rest of the predicate of independent clause is to overly large glands in their brains. Here, the correct verb would be may be linked, not may be linkage to. 2 is the right choice. Is it correct, ma'am?
Yes, Vidya, you are on the right way. Carry on. Here is the next question for you. The biggest, part 1, health burden that India, part 2, is set to face in the coming years, part 3, is tackle cancer, part 4, no error, part 5.
Ma'am, here the subject is the biggest health problem that India is set to face in the coming years. The verb is. The rest of the predicate is tackle cancer. Ma'am, I cannot find the error. Option 5 is the right answer.
Wait, Vidya, why the hurry? See, what is the biggest problem that India is set to face in the coming years? It is obvious that the answer to this question must be a noun word or phrase. And the noun forms of the verb tackle would be the gerund tackling or the phrase how to tackle. 4th is the right answer.
Okay, ma'am. Now I got it.
Next question is illegal sand mining in the peripheral areas, part 1, of the district continues to remain a big problem for part 2. Forest range officers as yet another instance illegal, part 3. Mining was reported yesterday, part 4. No error, part 5.
Ma'am, here the subject is illegal mining in the peripheral areas of the district. The verb is continues to remain. The rest of the predicate is a big problem for forest range officers. The conjunction is as. The dependent clause is as yet another instance illegal mining was reported yesterday. The dependent clause instance to tell us that there was yet another instance of illegal poaching reported yesterday. But it actually tells us about another instance illegal mining. The preposition of is missing. Option 3 is the right choice.
Next question now. The policeman who, part 1, was deployed heavily, part 2, in the area did nothing to, part 3, dissuade the protesters, part 4, no error, part 5.
Ma'am, let me read the question again. The subject is the policeman. The dependent noun clause is who was deployed heavily in the area. The verb is did. The object is nothing. And the infinitive phase is to dissuade the protesters. The subject of the sentence is the third person plural policeman. Thus here, the verb for the pronoun who, which refers to the policeman, should be the past tense plural were, not the past tense singular was. 2 is the right choice. Am I right, ma'am?